let's go. Panoramic bitch, I can see right through it. Smoking on cookie, it's gas manure. Damn, 250 rats in the lure. Damn, know we gon' run with a pack like
I'm one of the greatest to ever do it. Lucifer. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. Every day I'm ballin', so you know it's scoring. Moving so important, my back is enormous. These niggas keep hating, this is their last warning. Met that girl that night, ooh, fuck her through the morning. No, girl, I'm sorry. Hang up, girl, don't call me. No, you will not have me caught up all up on Mari. Cash out, make it rain, no game Atari. Ride me like a Harley, only boy in the party. I was on the phone, yeah, I would play with Cardi. Come on, that's got song, hearts all on my Cardi. I was in the Lamb Cardi, he was in a Rari. I'ma keep on flexing, you don't like me, then I'm sorry. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. Okay, big guap chasing, big not having. My money stacking, this shit was trafficking. This for all my niggas, the ones that be trafficking. All my diamonds African, I might go and mad the biz. I already had that bitch, went and got a battle bitch. Persian rock, a Latin shit, nice for a hoe like a Latin bitch. I can serve you, hey, let me say one time, hey. Turn around, baby girl, let me serve you. Whoa. Yeah, they say that you wet like Squirtle. Yeah. Walk around pitching too, got the bird flu. And you think you in love, don't wanna hurt you. Man, I think that I'm done, gotta swerve you. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts, going down. I'm so awesome. These niggas so bad, it's exhausting. I swear I'm a stunner like Steve Austin. Oh, sauce it out. Oh, do too much. Oh, where you from? Oh, throw it out. Oh, going nuts. Oh, going down.
My favorite bitch just cut me off and she won't even let me know the reason. She probably wanna her little messy hating ass friends being evil. I ain't stressing about it, she'll come around when she wanna eat it up. Slow scroll, fast scroll, grinding, and I'm a real pleaser. 60 hoes in New York having dinner, Bottega send it to me soon as they get it. I put made by seats on the spreader, make sure everybody sit comfortable. You gotta really pay attention, I'm not mommy. She tryna have a good time, she wanna come with her. They know we can't be fucked with, now one of us. It's some bitch times I slip, I'm not falling. Barbara's baby blue, the inside too, I'm feeling like a kid again. They thought I got lucky last time, fuck it, I'm back on that shit again. Her last bag was a crocodile, Kelly got it chalky to match her skin. I just gave bro 100 pounds away, I'm told him tell the city is in. Majority of the time I ain't bodies, nigga. I ain't with all that liking and shit. Money over everything, try to stop it, you get popped right then and there. Message thread full of where you at and pull up on me, bunch of wins and wears. Youngins out here wildin' with no guidance, all they care about is who they kill. I was trying to keep that shit in order, it got harder cause I'm never there. It's a better life out here, I promise, bro, then I'ma keep it in there, yeah. I know how it feel to spend an op, but it feel way better to count a million. I come from the bottom of the bottom, I shall right up through the fucking ceiling. Hey, everybody lit, can't put that fire out. Hey, soon as it pop, bro, pull that fire out. This her first time coming to my house. Hey, better go hard, girl, this your trials. Hey, everybody lit, can't put that fire out. Hey, soon as it pop, bro, pour that fire out. Hey, this her first time coming to my house. Hey, better go hard, girl, this your trials. Yeah, stay down, hustle hard until you come up. Take something only when you need it. You won't make it far being greedy. My grandma taught me how to be a leader. If we fly commercial, we got greeters. They just know that we important.
Not gonna lie, this little baby song ass. What up, chat? What up, man? Yeah, this song ain't it. This song ain't it, chief. You lost your 10,000? That's crazy. That's crazy. I took so long. What up, Ezekiel? What up, chat? What up, what up, what up, man? What up, man? You're up for London? I didn't trade London though, no. I did not touch London. Hold on. Yeah, no, I didn't touch London. I only touched the, why is it? Sorry. I didn't touch London. I only touched I didn't touch Asian. I only touched Monday or Sunday, Monday. That's it. I didn't touch yesterday at all. Nothing. Wait, Poland? Of course. I listened to the song like 5 times before I start my stream every day. Yeah, I didn't really trade London or Asian. No. Or New York. Yesterday, obviously. Bank holiday yesterday, right? But today we're back, guys. Today we're back, and you don't got much news going on today. You don't got much going on today at all, to be honest. At all. Yeah, no news. 11 a.m., 12 p.m. We're chilling, right? Yeah, nothing much going on until then. So it should be a pretty relaxing day. I mean, let's see if price action shows anything too decent. But yeah, man. This is all I got. This is all we got today. Let me just send my Zoom link real quick, and then we can start the analysis and do the rest. You're blurred. How about now? Better? I feel like this weekend was so long. I think I did the most, like, this is of all the weekends in this year. This is the most I've done in a weekend. This felt so long. I didn't do much too, to be honest, but I just felt really long every day. Usually weekends fly by pretty quick, but every day I had something to do this week. You know what it is? It's that I've been sleeping during weekends, right? But this weekend I've been waking up every day at like 6:30, 7, like as I usually would for the streams to play hockey. So that's probably why the days felt longer. But usually I'll be waking up at like 12, 1. That's probably why. What up, Circle? We're back? Yes, sir. We are back. We're back. All right. Let's take a look at what we got going on today on the charts. Now, what is this? Oh, it's a drawn tool. Okay. All right. So, no news today, right? Let's start off with GJ real quick. So, GJ for the weekly. This week has closed bearish. So last week we also came up. We tapped resistance, right? Boom, perfect. And we started to reject that resistance, and then on top of that we also closed bearish. So there's a high chance this week this week's candle is likely to do something like this, because if we're closing bearish at resistance here, right, this indicates that we have found resistance, and since we're popping back into this range here, we should make our way down towards these levels to the left. I'm looking at like 158.532, 159ish levels. Anywhere in that zone will be perfect. I'm expecting this candle this week to come down and do something like this, coming down bearish, right? Obviously, towards that level to the left that we have mentioned. Wow, my drawing is rusty today. Yeah, that's what we're expecting for the weekly. It doesn't really affect obviously the next 30-minute candle, 15, 1 hour. It's just the overall outlook for the weekly and what you should be expecting this week. The daily time frame today is you can say it's bearish, but again, I don't really like the zone we're in right now. We're kind of in this weird range here from here to like here, right? This is the range we're in here. I'd honestly rather prefer if we were to break below the range, because if you can break when close below this range here, there's a high chance that price is likely to continue down with the weekly. But until then, we're gonna start jumping from here to here. Like, this is the range we're gonna spend a lot of time in, so I want to avoid this range, to be honest. Drop down to a small time frame. I mean, sells today, if I'm looking for sells with the day bias, because technically we are bearish today, I would prefer sells below the support to the left here. I'll say below here. You break below here, you should continue down towards next support, which is down here at like 163.91. This range going down is, I think, around 30 pips. It's not bad. Buys are also not bad as well, because buys, you have a range 2. Range 2 buys would be above, somewhere above here, right? That wouldn't be too bad here. So if we close above for 7 a.m., this wouldn't be a bad idea at all. Wouldn't be a bad play to take buys going up towards the top of the range here, which is up here at the 161.529 mark. All right, this is the next resistance you have here to the left. So that range going up is not bad as well. It's a 40 pip range. Why does my PC feel so chopped today? Yeah, that's your next resistance there, right, chat? So it's around like a 40 pip range going up. It's definitely not bad. This is definitely core 4 volume though. But yeah, and like I said, a closure above something like this would be ideal, would be perfect. This would be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. candle. All right, should continue up towards the top of the range. Should be pretty nice and pleasant move. On to the next pair of gold here. Gold for the weekly is pretty interesting for the week. As you can see, the monthly is bearish, right? We're starting to flip for the monthly. We never broke the highs yet, 1038. So therefore, we're still bearish for the month. This month's candle should flip and continue down for the month towards 1582. By the time we hit November, we should be able to see those levels get tapped. First step is the wick fill. Second step is the rest of the range fill, right? But this is a clean range on the monthly going down. So we broke this down on October 11th. We spent 11 days creating a top wick, and I mentioned on October 11th how the next week, maybe week and a half, maybe a bit choppy because we're just creating a top wick. But once you find that direction for the week or for the monthly, which is the second week after the top wick here, right? We should have a much cleaner direction in price. And now that we're starting to flip bearish, this is very clean. Things are starting to get very clean here, and we're actually gonna get a nice trend going on here. So pretty heavily bearish, like heavily bearish for the monthly. Again, 1592 should get tapped. The weekly this week, I want to see you break the lows here. If you break the lows, you can say you can drop down towards like 1641 for the week. As for the daily today is pretty bearish. I like how you close back into this range here to the left hand side, right? So since we're back into this range here, there's a high chance that we should continue down, which we did. We came down, tapped support. Now the question is what's gonna happen here. Technically, a daily closure below would be more ideal. A daily closure below here should take you down towards the next support, which is going to be around here to the left hand side. Right, should be clean coming down, but until then we don't know what's gonna happen here at the support, because it's a pretty strong support level looking left. Like you look at all these rejections to the left hand side here, right? So you obviously need a closure below to confirm that you're breaking below support. Who knows? Price may break through today. Who knows? But what I do know is that the small time frame shows you that there's a heavy support way out right now as well, on price, which is going to be right around here. This zone here, I don't really like this zone here, 1658, right? I would prefer sells below there. Below there, coming down towards next support, which is down here, would be more ideal. It's your cleanest range you have here to the left. I guess you can say you have another support right here as well. Below here, you have like a 20 pip range going down. But again, like even if you take sells below here, it's not even worth it, right? I would much prefer us taking sells below 1658, because below there is where you have clean traffic. And then you can say you have a resistance right here on price. So this is the range you're in. Honestly, it's looking like a very choppy day today, off of the way the day looks and off the smaller time frame. But I believe tomorrow, if you were to close below, it'll be a much better day tomorrow. But who knows? It could be a better day today. We gotta see how things look. But from my speculation, it doesn't look too great for the day, meaning that it may be a range day, where we get no breakouts. However, GJ could be our best friend today if it closes above these ranges to the left. All right, so we can wait for GJ instead. GJ is not bad at all. It's pretty clean. Yeah, chat, that's my analysis. That's gold. And then that's GJ. Let me actually just put this line here. There we go. Actually 30-minute range is above here. Let's go off the 1 hour and just put it here. But yeah. No, I mean it's looks like a decent, like it's not the greatest day, but the monthly is starting to make sense, right? I posted this video on my Twitter because I wanted to clip and ship it. We made this video on what day was this? The 1st of October. Candle closed below the range, doing what these other candles to the left have. So this is October 1st. You can tell, right? Because looking at where this video was made, you can see that the candle just opened up for the monthly. This is a monthly time frame too, right? So you can tell that it's the beginning of the month. Never done. This candle closing below the range indicates that we are breaking below support. The monthly, pretty straightforward. I'm looking left, clean traffic. Around these levels to the left is where I'm targeting. But this month candle should come down and do something like this, tapping the 1580 mark. So the first step is top wick. Second step, filling the previous candle. So what we have right now is you have the top wick, right, on price. The top wick is formed, done, complete. Next step is filling the previous wick, right? And if you look at price, we are currently on a monthly, basically at the flip. So the top wick, yes, it was steep. At one point, you could have thought that we were bullish. However, I always say, man, look at the previous candle. Never look at the current candle. The current candle doesn't mean shit, right? Because it's not a closed candle. It's an open candle. It can do anything. Off of the previous candle, what we know is that it created a high. So as long as price respects the high, this thing could come down at any given point, right? It doesn't matter if it came up last week 500 pips. Doesn't matter, right? It's irrelevant. Top wick, flip. That flip indicates that that's the top wick, and now we should continue down. So if you're saying like it's been a tough month, don't stress, because this trend is starting to form, right? The bearish trend. The bullish trend we were never in a bullish trend. We've been bearish all years here since April, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 straight bearish candles. There's no rule of thumb saying that we get 6 bearish candles and you flip, right? Just follow the trend until it breaks, right? And what you know to looking left here is that every time you broke below this range to the left, what happened? Right? What happened here? So this is your resistance, right? What happened here? Right here to the left, closed below, respected, came down. Where? Next support. Close below, what did the next candle do? Come down. Where? Next support, 1560, right? I would honestly take a monthly swing. However, your stop's obviously massive, right? You can't really take a monthly swing. That would be ideal though. Taking a monthly flip, first candle stops and TP down here. It's like a trade we always take on streams, right? Just on a 30-minute time frame. However, stops in this case would have been like 700 pips, right? So it's definitely not worth it. For the RR, you'll probably have to pop a much smaller lot. But what you could do is just take sells with the monthly trend on the small time frame as the month goes by, right? But monthly is very clean, man. There's no doubt in my mind, end of November or end of October, sorry, we should be able to see those levels. Do 0.01. You know what? I could do it. 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 I'm stops for stuff. I can also do a bigger lot size. Like, if I were to risk my new normal risk, which is like 4K, 4 or 5K, I could definitely do it. Let's see, 4 or 5K, 700 pips stops. I can pop a point. I'm gonna pop. Yeah, no, 700 pips. That's what I said. 700 pips. I could technically pop. .60, right? Yeah, I was gonna like 0.45, 0.50. I could technically pop a 0.50. It's the thing though, like what's the return? It's not even, it's like a 10 pip trade. The return is like maybe a 20 pip full lot trade. But I can do it for the vibes. Definitely could. Won't really affect my my account. I mean, I'm losing my normal risk, right? It's just to be a monthly candle. The reason why it has to be a 700 pip stop for the monthly is because it's just like anything else, man. You guys don't understand, you know, like small time frame, high time frame, it's the same concepts. You respect the highs, you should continue down, right? If this is a 30-minute time frame, where would your stop loss be? Purse kind of high. Okay, it's 700 pips, right? But let's say on a 30-minute time frame, this stop loss is 10 pips. What's the difference? It's the most logical stop. That's the stop you want to use, not the middle of a candle. Doesn't make any sense. You can come up, still flip bearish, right? So you want to make sure it's the breaking of Purse highs, or current highs at least. Just like any other time frame. So that's why it has to be like a 700 pip stop if you were to take a monthly swing. Doesn't have to. You can have a smaller swing, but the probability of you surviving the trade come down towards that TP while respecting Purse kind of high is much higher than you having a middle of a candle stop. Right? It's been a good week so far though, chat. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna get my food. Get my food came. Yo, DV, that's why I said 700 pips. I never said 70. If I did, then I meant 700. Got food, chat. I'm mad hungry. Yeah, does anyone play that Monopoly stuff from McDonald's? So it's rigged. bite? Oh yeah, you just went vegetarian, so. You're seeing a doc on a Monopoly game. McMillions? The documentary? Nah. Why? What's it about? Someone winning? Or how rigged it is?
I spent my whole life trying to improvise. I'm not saying that for you to sympathize. Spent my whole life trying to find a light that's at the end of the tunnel. I should have realized it was inside. So lately I've been trying to get what's inside outside. So many people want to see my insides outside. I'm from that city.
Damn, chat. I've been on you know. Aside from this though, this breakfast though, I've been pretty healthy lately. No caffeine, nothing. Just natural, and then been playing hockey. Help as well. Y'all got you want to do the walk? All right, bro, you gotta relax. You did a walk in trading, bro. You're not waking up. It's not gonna work out. Fake natty. Too much hockey ain't healthy? No, hockey healthy, bro. Trust. How's the 4 look on this? Oh yeah, perfect. And your birthday highs too. Wow. Nice. Stock caffeine 4 years ago. Wait, what'd you replace it with? Herbal tea? Oh, herbal tea. Yeah, I don't know. I had thing with coffee where I'm like, I feel like it was in my head though. Nah, not really, but I don't know. Like drinking coffee. At one point, I was relying on coffee like to wake me up in the morning. When I can honestly just like I've been living my whole life waking up fine without coffee. Like why start now? You know, like, even when I first started streaming like 3 years ago, I was fine. Like why did I need coffee to wake me up? Or why do I need coffee to work myself in the day when I just be natty? Ginseng herbal coffee. I mean tea. Ginseng. That's ginger, right? Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, I know what this is. Problematic. I have that at home. I don't really. Chad, are you guys more of a tea drinker or are you guys more of a coffee drinker? To get on the esports betting. I know a lot of people who are in sports betting. It's not really my thing. Like once you go FX, you can't go back, man. Like I don't know. It's just like the probability in FX is much higher than the probability in sports betting, right? Sports betting is like, I don't know, there's definitely things you can bet on. Yeah, the odds are definitely like the RR is definitely there, but in trading, it's just like once you learn these concepts, just can't unsee this. Like once you learn price action, you can't unsee price action. Like what can I tell you? It's just more probable in my it's more in our favor. And you can manage us a lot better too. But sports betting as a side hobby slash hustle, it wouldn't be a bad idea. But I don't know. I had my share in gambling, but it wasn't sports betting. It was blackjack. I haven't done any of that in a while. Ever since FX. I mean, you don't need to, right? You know how to trade, you're good. Be more options. Yeah. This 1 hour count would be very nice. Wow. It'll be a 1 hour count too. What are stops gonna be? 30-minute stops are gonna be 23. 1 hour stops are getting a lot wider, right? Yeah, way too wide. Very clean range though. Oh, definitely counting cards. Nah, way too hard, man. There's like 8 decks in there. I know like the basis of counting cards, because if you were a true 21 blackjack player, you would definitely watch that movie 21 and learn how. I could try to learn how to count cards after. Like I know how it works. It's hard for me to count like 8 decks, bro. I think it's harder to count, right? If you have, the more decks you have. It was like an 8 deck blackjack. Clean? Yeah, I mean it's clean if it breaks up above here. Anything below here is complete garbage. This breaks above here, it should continue up towards 161. 500. Nice clean traffic tail left. One thing about sports betting though is that there's no slippage. You know, there's no slippage. What hoodie you wearing? The plain Russell hoodie. I think hoodie's from like the 2000s or something. I'm pretty sure. Vintage Russell hoodie. No risk management. Nah, you could risk manage in sports betting. I think you can early payout. That's the thing. You can do early payout if you're ahead. That's called, like, that's basically taking half. I don't know. I think you can exit your losses too earlier. I could be wrong though. I'm not no pro sports bettor though. You ask the chat.
revenue mean that when you dreaming. On the block, we was scheming, serving fiending, rolling dice on the cement, yeah. I came from nothing, I don't want from nothing. They scheming on my blessings, yeah.
You can hedge.
Could have been the devil, but maybe it was karma. Surrounded by the drama. Oh yeah.
You can hedge. That's kind of cool. What's the point of hedging though? How does that work?
I can feel crying.
Isn't the payout the same?
Sometimes I feel like I'm running out of breath. Hustling into the sun.
Like an FX, you can hedge, but you can hedge like long-term positions, and then have short-term positions. But how does that work in sports betting? Like, what are you gonna have? Or you mean like you can like, let's say you got, let's say like OKC plays like Miami Heat, right? You got OKC winning, and then you got people on the team dropping certain points like that. Is that what hedging is? You got like, I'm gonna link this video. Gold bias. Yo, chat, do exclamation point gold bias in the chat or this link. All right. For a Wickfield? What pair? What pair? What pair? Yeah, 1 hour Wickfield. In 53 seconds there. It just stops here, but pretty decent.
I ain't drive here, I got chauffeur. Bring me champagne, flutes, rosé, and some shots over. I think better when I'm not sober. I smoke good.
38 seconds. Can you actually get a closure above here?
Private flights back home, no stopover. Still spitting that shit that they shot Pac over. The shit my mother looked shocked over. Yeah, but with a canvas, I'm the group of 7. On my grain, take 2 Excedrin. I'm the one twice over, I'm the new 11. And if I die, I'ma do it reppin'. I never do a second. I swear niggas be eyeing me all hard and lying to they girls.
No top wick. Funny. Imagine get a closure above a no top wick. That'll be amazing, right? More waiting. All right, perfect. They're gonna have a buy stop here. 161257. So you got a closure above, which is what we wanted. So now we're gonna have the buy stops. It's gonna be the break to previous kind of highs. Stop loss of our current previous kind of low, which is 23 pips on 30-minute time frame. And TP's up here for around 29, 28 pips ish. All right. Buy stops at 161257. Also pretty tiny too, so I can definitely go my normal risk. Someone asked earlier if I'm lowering lot size of quarter 4. Yes I am, but not yet. Probably like somewhere just during this quarter, maybe like end of the month, middle of the month maybe. Who knows? But One 161257. All right. On Blueberry, that is going to be 161257. EP 161561. Stop loss is 161011. Yo, did Wix not take any trades yesterday for Asian? I know Asian looked pretty bad yesterday, so I'm guessing not. Yeah, chat. This trade here is gonna be a 1 hour closure above. So 1 hour breakout, first higher low break broken, right? Not the current higher low. Oh, I believe we're activated. Oh shit. I guess slipped. Chat, buy stops activated here off the buys. Stop loss is again first kind of low. TP is up here. And that is the buys that we are in. Yeah, no slippage. Nice. Yeah, that's these are the buys we're in. Break-in point is probably gonna be like 160, right around here, 161,399, 366. Sorry, that'd be the B point. Overall, we should continue to run up towards the next clean level, which is 161,551, which is where our TP is, right? That got slipped. For some reason, this looked like it pushed up a lot heavier than what I had. I thought it was like a good like 10 something pips. I'm like, did I get slipped? But we did not. What do you peak there? 7, 6? What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. 161,366. Chat. As for like managing risk in a losing situation, what we're gonna do here is probably if so it's a 1 hour trade, right? But if like the 30 or 1 hour closes below like 161, 183, below a support, we'll probably be in trouble. At that point, you'll want to manage risk, right? But I want to see it close below there first for us to actually manage risk, okay? But yeah, probably the re-break of the highest here will be the B point for me. If you re-break the highest here, that'll be a point where we'll be risk free. If it breaks the highs here, I mean, if it continues up, it'll continue up towards the next ranges. If it doesn't, it was have to reject. All right, so at that point, we'll be risk free. Got slipped real bad. Well, when I saw it, it came up like maybe 3, 4 pips. So like you couldn't have gone anything worse than 3, 4 pips, which isn't that bad. That's like standard, normal. So like even you got slipped, it wouldn't have been that bad. There was no reason for it to be like 10, 20 pips. It's impossible, right? You can't move. You can't get slipped 10, 20 pips if you're not moving 10, 20 pips. You move maybe 4 pips, you probably got slipped like a pip or 2. So what, right? No, it's just normal markets for retail traders. Yeah, chat earlier. I don't know. I wanted positions on price like around here, but that's when I just hopped on, so I couldn't really like I was obviously too late for me to take positions, but it was initially above this range here. I love this closure above this range here. But then I'm like, well, I came out a little late. Might as well wait for the 1 hour closure, and then we obviously waited for the 1 hour candle. It closed above, created a bottom wick, tap that support, and then we had the buy stops. And that was that trade, or that was this trade, right? But with us closing above his range here, we should be able to continue up here to mirror this candle to the left. That's what I'm looking at right now, right? Because that's all clean traffic, all clean to 161.561. Yeah, bro, I might gotta re-edit that entry, because when I when we got activated, I wasn't on the same screen. Hey managers, if it's turning sell, I explained it already. I explained how I would manage in a losing situation. I would wait for this 1 hour candle at 30 to close below 161.183. Anything below there for closures would be us managing risk. A 1 hour closure below, since it's a 1 hour trade, would be a 100% closure, and a 30 closure below would be a 30% closure. That's how we do it. Or sorry, 50% closure. What am I saying? 30% closure will be a 50% closure. In a winning situation, again, like you guys said, or like I said, B would be around here, and then prior to partials would be around here too. That's a nice 5-minute candle. And the next closure you have here, or next like decent closure you have, would be the 15 candle. So that's in about 5 minutes, right? You have the 5 here, but it's just a 5. The 15 is what you have next year. So you want to see this 15 close bullish, obviously. Also, so you have no news in the way too, so that's amazing. That's perfect. Twin fire. Yes, sir. Of course. Cheeky falls fire. Stops below current wick. That's not a bad idea too. I'm planning to well, you could plan to move it to the current low. Because if you move to the current low, I think you're risking like what, 8 pips? I rather just see us close below the managers, but like that's not a bad idea as well. Yeah, gold popped back into the range here to 1 hour. I gotta rework this ranges here on gold now. I think earlier I had a 1 hour resistance here. I mean, I guess you can say it closed above, but still a range 1. So technically, like if you were to break back below here on gold, you can take the sells coming down. But that'll be you probably need a 1 hour closure, so probably 8 AM. This has no top wick, right? But if you get a closure like this, back into the range, that'll be the fake out. And you could continue down to retest the lows. That'd be perfect. GG through bottom wick. Could be. The thing I worry about now, if you're coming down crazy steep wick, we use the previous 30-minute stops, right? Ideal stops would have been the previous 1 hour candle stops, but it's a little too wide, obviously. So you can easily re-break this low and still respect the previous 1 hour. But As for risk, like that's like around a 50 pip stop, right? I don't know if I'll be managing risk at the 15 year chat. I'd rather manage risk for 30/1 hour. 15, I'll probably just let it rock however it closes. I said earlier, I prefer the 30 or 1 hour for closures. Who, by the way, who went B chat on this trade? No, some people did maybe. Yeah, B, nice. Check this loss. What happened here? Pairs this GBPUSD. Trade after breakout but reversed. This is a 30. You know, I'm not gonna lie, man. I gotta check on you. I gotta check back on you with this. Because I then gotta go to use chart and break that down. I'll break it down after this trade here, because we're in the trade here. So after that, I'll break it down for you. Candle close above for buys. Range 2 breakout. Range 2 no trades here. Range 1. Candle close below for sells. Sweet. Not bad. Same that I have really. Same GJ breakout I'm looking at. Yeah. Range 2 breakout. Got the closure above. We took buys. Yeah. Same analysis. Let's chart. Nolia. Let's blow here. Range 1. What's the risk here? 32 hundo. DP was 41. Not bad. Super Bono Wick. There is like a minor. If you drew off the 1 hour, you say there's also another minor support down here at 161, 101. It's a little lower though than where we have it right now. This is just the most recent, right? Off the 1 hour. But there's a steeper 1 hour support down here, 103, 101 levels. What up, Wix?
What's the deal?
Yeah, how's your Asian last night?
Rangy.
I know. I don't know why you did Asian last night.
To be consistent, we were running it Monday through Thursday.
Oh yeah, it's wrong. Yes, it was on a Sunday. Makes sense.
It's Monday yesterday. Sunday, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't a Sunday. Yeah.
Oh shit. Bright and early here.
Again, chat. I said earlier, before like I think the first couple minutes of the trade, before it was in drawdown, managing risk is off the 30 in 1 hour, right? Not the 15 for me. If you want to manage risk off the 15, you definitely go ahead and do so. But the reason why I'm not doing the 15 here is because the trade is based off the 1 hour time frame. It's based on the fact that the 1 hour closed above. It doesn't make sense for me to manage risk off the 15, right? Because the 15 can come down, not break any lows, and still drive up off the 1 hour, and it could still be a steeper bottom wick, right? We could be wrong. It can definitely drive on the 15 and hit stops, but this is how we've been managed risk all year, right? Off of the current time frame that we entered off of. So that's what I'm saying. 30 minutes candle is the closest you have to the 1 hour, so we can manage this off of 30 as well. But just half closures off the 30 and full closures off the 1 hour time frame. That's how we're kind of doing it here. Going to 15. Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 hour figure here at ADM here. I'm waiting for ADM for gold because this is a range 1 breakout.
Yeah, you could take me off screen for about 10 minutes.
How come you just come then? What's the point?
I was about to hop on, but my daughter just woke up. I'll get her dressed.
Oh damn. Papa stuff.
Because one of them's been really sick the last few days, so I want to take care of her.
Yeah. That's what happens when you have kids.
That's what happens when they start going to school. First like few weeks.
Yo, they have they suffered hands, foot, and mouth disease yet? Or they got that yet? They have, right?
Yeah.
It's normal for kids, right?
Yeah.
Like you get some daycare and stuff. Did you get it too?
No, but one of them, like 2 of them had it really easy, and one of them had actual hand, foot, mouth everywhere, and like she was in pain.
Yeah, it's itchy, right?
Yeah,
It looks like chicken pox, but
yeah, exactly.
I don't know that it was that common.
Very, very uncomfortable. They don't like that.
Yeah, I figure I can imagine. Chat, this is now gonna be a risk-free trade here again. Risk-free as you rubric the highs. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Not closing partials just yet, but risk-free. All right. And I'll let you guys know when I close partials, or if you guys want to close whenever you guys want, go ahead, feel free to do so. Right, do whatever you want to do. Nine times out of 10. So we learned today, or some of you guys may have learned, even though the 15 closed bearish, it's very key to understand that you have a much higher probability of surviving the trade if you were to manage this off the current time frame you entered off of, right? In this case, the 1 hour, not the 15. Also, the 15, I guess you can say close respecting too. Don't really close below, right? Close respecting. So now you have a perfect 15 star play. So I would expect us to continue to drive up further, but I guess what's stopping us here is the 1 hour resistance I had marked up here. This right here. This is what's kind of stopping price, I believe. If we can close above there within the next 30-minute candle, which is in 10 minutes, a lot of time, you can definitely still come down. Then perfect. The next 30-minute candle should continue to drive up towards a TP if you close above here off of 30. But if you don't close above there on 30, then you may hit BE on this trade. All right. But yeah, this is risk free. There's no risk on the line. Everyone should be chilling and just whatever happens to price happens to price. Drives up, cool. Drives down, his BE, cool. But that's it. You can also move the your stop loss to the current count low instead. That wouldn't be a bad idea. But quarter 2 volume would have popped price by now. Quarter 4 volume is gonna just cover price for a bit. Fine. Play? What do you mean play? I didn't close anything yet. If I close, yeah, maybe I can play shield runner, but there's no runner. It's just BE. The BE. Chat's very emotional today. I know. So I'm just sitting back eating my hash brown. Hopefully it'll calm everyone down. Guys, just calm down, you know. If you're feeling a bit emotional right now, it's alright. Just follow your plan. And boom. Closing full. There you go.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Where do we close that? 22? Hey chat. Just eat your hash brown, relax, enjoy your day, you know. Nothing to stress over. That was perfect timing, by the way. The moment I was like, chat, just relax, you know? Alright, closing full. But compose. Stay composed. Plus 23. And then what is the record? Chat, good stuff, chat, by the way.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
You know, as long as you guys won that trade, it doesn't matter if you guys took a win or you guys whatever you guys did. Like, as long as you stuck to your plan, the outcome of that trade doesn't really matter. I know it's a win here, the bonus, but doesn't really matter what you did, right? As long as you follow your plan, you won. So that's all we did today. Follow our plan, and that's about it. No half closures too, so it was a full clean. What did I finish off there with? I didn't see. 31. Oh yeah, that's right. We're trading GJ still. The currency affects the price. Yeah. Not bad. Not a bad week, Chad. Not a bad week. I'm not gonna lie. Not a bad week. Not a bad week. Let's keep it up. Not a bad week. Let's change the music real quick. I think I would hit TP for those that left it, right? I think I closed it. I think we were like maybe 8 pips away. For me, there's no point. It's like 6 pips away. I'm like, what's the point? 6 pips? I'd rather close here full on 6 pips than close half here and then hit break even. You know what I mean? It just made more sense in that case. Stop. Why don't you let it run? I just explained it. It was a 6 pip difference. If I closed half and let it run and hit BE, would have came down, or it could have came down and then would have been. I think the play there was a close fold. It was like 6 pips away from TP, right? What would you rather do? Close half to let it hit BE, or 6 pips away, or close fold when it's 6 pips away, then not worry about it anymore. It's not worth the BE there in that case. Maybe it was like 15 pips away. 20 pips away, yeah, but it was like 6 pips away. There's like no point really. And I'm very happy with closing full there. Very happy. All right. Someone's saying, yeah, GJ is not clean, Don. It's not. It wasn't clean, but the moment it breaks out of this range, it's gonna be clean, right? Because it's all clean traffic. But you know what's good about GJ now, chat? Is you have more range here, so anything above 161, 561 would be lovely and perfect. You close above here now, you can continue up towards next resistance, which is all the way up here at the 162, 216. All right, you have all that range going up. What time is that? And how many people we have watching? I didn't know. Hey, hundo. Nice. The chat, 100 likes, bro. Come on. Come on, chat. 100 likes only. Come on, we should have got like 200 likes before, like, during the analysis time. 100 likes? Man. I don't know what it is with you guys recently, but the last couple of months, you guys have been low adrenaline likes. 100, yeah, come on, chat. 100 likes? Bruv. I could buy myself 100 likes. Let me update this actually. October. Chat, have you guys enjoyed today's stream so far? Enjoyed any knowledge dropped? Enjoy our patience, my calmness, right? Whatever it was. Because I think me being calm makes you guys calm too. If I'm stressing, obviously you guys are stressed, but I'm never stressing, right? You never want to stress, but yeah, man. Whatever it is that you learned today on the streams, make sure you guys leave a like and replicate that yourself. There we go. Purse high, low. Win rate going higher now. What's wrong with this? Damn. Oh, and Juju both flew. Oh, drove 30 pips. Juju drove I think 37. What the same? 250 gone. Hey, I appreciate it, chat. I appreciate us being here today. As always. Think buys 30-minute closure is good. Not bad idea. Not bad idea. I just don't like the fact that the 1 hour has no bond wick, and also the 1 hour still it had no bond wick, and it's a range 1. So honestly, if I get a 1 hour closure above, I'll attempt it ADM. But if you don't get a 1 hour closure above, I don't want to sell down for a 30 closure above, right? Man, it's gonna be a good day, chat. Nice start to the day, and then later I got hockey. I got hockey twice today. I got hockey at like 7. I got hockey at like 9 and 10. So I love it. Getting better at my skates too. I'm improving bit by bit. Should be a good day. I don't think anything can ruin the day today. Yo, Broly. You got that right? Before it gets taken down. Yo, I didn't score my first goal. I never scored my first goal yet. I didn't score my first goal yet. However, I did get my first assist. Like, I got my first assist. My first +1. That felt good. Felt good. Yo, Wix. Wix cashes? When I was skating on the way out, I saw these guys playing hockey. It's low-key kind of dangerous. Yeah, no, it's fucking it's hockey is insane. Trust. It's insane. Is that the volume to the music? There you go. Yeah, hockey's hard, man. Trust me, it's really hard. It's not easy at all. And it's mad expensive too, so it's crazy. Then Thursday, I think I'm going to a Leafs opener. Well, I'm buying tickets, I think, tomorrow to a Leafs opener in Toronto. Excited for that. Hockey season's back. And on top of that, I got NHL 23. So I've been running that up. Anyone here play? I know you guys play FIFA. But HUT, or I'm not sure what it's called in FIFA, but the Ultimate Team thing, it is mad expensive. Like, what kind of average person would drop 1,000 on a team? $1,500 USD on a team? It's crazy. Like, it shouldn't be that expensive for a game. Overwatch 2? I didn't touch it yet. No, my brother plays though. Hockey is gay. Do boxing? I guess so. What you hating for, man? Gold Star and Melt? I would love it. Yeah, look, the 1 hour candle, no bottom wick, right? This is perfect. You flip bearish, you close bearish here. 8 AM chat. This should be the 8 AM candle. 40 pip range going down. Amazing. Yeah, the reason why I want to play Overwatch is I didn't really play Overwatch 1, so it's gonna be a lot for me to pick up. Can you look sell on gold? You need a 1 hour closure below 8 AM, my friend. So 8 AM. Until then, until then, it's just us waiting, right? That's all you could do. Let me just finish my food. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. For a time being, just talk to each other in the chat, you know? Talk to each other for 5 minutes. Warzone 2? Me too, man. Warzone 2 is lit. I'm excited for that. November, no? November 5th? $16. Oh, holding GJ, hoping for that range fill. You got a hold for a closure above here. If you close above, then you should be good. Oh shit. I forgot I have this chat. My fault. The FOREX factory stuff. Yeah, my fault, bro. I didn't even fix it though.